Hey mates, I think it's time to talk about Xena's rewards and resources. So stay with me until the very end and you'll explore the following. What loot you can get after winning a match, how to claim free rewards and what they are, why you should focus on collecting as many cups as possible. Moreover, we'll talk about other crucial aspects of the game, so let's waste no time speaking and get to the business. By the way, in the case you are completely new to Xena, somehow, just watch this guide first. It will help you understand the subject better. Okay, so let's start with the items present in Xena. There are not so many of them at the moment, but still, let's go through each of them. G-Cell is an in-game currency. It is needed for several purposes. You can purchase items in the shop, reset the robot's talents, which costs 200 G-Cell, and also upgrade abilities. G-Ore is premium in-game currency. You can only get this for real money. Now, they are available via USDT in your web profile. It is needed to purchase premium, G-Cell, as well as rare ability cards. Loot boxes, which are chests with rewards. There are three types of them: Basic, Standard, and Master. Basic and Standard contain an ability card, and the difference between them is only in the chance of a rare drop. Master box contains an ability card plus 150 shards of one of the three types. The drop rate for rare cards is significantly higher, and you can also get golden ones. Shards, and there are three types of them: XLR, XMR, and XHR. These are needed to improve skills and upgrade your robot. Three types correspond to three types of robots, but only XMR is available at the moment. Ability cards, which are special cards that can be used in the game as skills and have 5 rarity levels. Besides, they are divided into general use and a special type of robot. Duplicate cards can be used to upgrade your abilities in the Forge. Drop a like under this video and we will make a guide about abilities too. Robot box, given for 5 wins and contains 2 items, an ability card and shards. It opens up automatically when you receive it, just like other loot boxes. The last one, free chest. You get this after you win, and for now, it contains resources only. But if you go to the inventory, you can see a section with cards, already teasing us for future updates, I think. So you can't open the box yet, because Xena's functionality is not yet connected to the metaverse in the browser. But I think these will be resources for building modules, and the usual resources from the battler will also come in handy. Xena offers several types of rewards, some of which you can collect without actually playing, and some require you to win battles. So let's take a deep look at all of them, starting with the free ones. When logging in to the game, you'll have one daily gift that can be acquired in the shop. You will get a few hundred G-Cell, which is a nice bonus to start off your day. The reward section is designed specially to incentivize you to come back every single day. You can participate in an improvised lottery with guaranteed rewards daily. Here you can get loot boxes of all types, ability cards, and also G-Cell. The list contains 30 items and is updated every 30 days, once you get all of them. Besides, every 7 days you appear online, you'll be able to claim cards from weekly rewards. Last but not least, Trophy Road. It cannot be called free as you need to win battles to progress. So to enter this screen, you need to click on Cups meter near your nickname. It works pretty simply. You'll get rewarded for hitting some number of cups. Here you can earn G-Cell, ability cards, loot boxes, and even a premium account. So collecting cups is quite essential to my opinion. Battle rewards. So I think with the rewards for the matches, everything is quite simple. You get loot boxes when you win, and the rest of the guys are content with G-Cell and shards according to the occupied places. So basically, the higher the place, the more resources you will get. The winner is awarded a common box and free chest. Actually, I watched the contents of the common box above, so it is a random ability card. If you don't have a premium account, with the first place, you will get 100 G-Cell and 26 shards. But with the premium one, you'll get 50% more. In addition, your character will receive experience and also cups. Every 5 win, you will receive the robot box, which I have already talked about too. Usually, you will compete against bots, and frankly, they are pretty dumb. So therefore, so far it's quite easy to win 5 out of 5 matches. And what you should do is to take this chance while you still can, because there are more and more skilled players appear in the game every single day. I noticed this myself, and you should definitely hurry up. By the way, we have already released a guide on how to act in the first match and even how to better upgrade your robot to kick some opponents' asses. So check it out. What I have noticed is we will be able to boost G-Cell and shards drops by using special golden card. So to me, I think it refers to those golden ones from Master Box. In my opinion, this is the way the developers incentivize users to buy those boxes. Another use case for in-game items is the Forge. Here, you can upgrade your abilities. For this, you need 3 ability cards of the same rarity, shards, and G-Cell. Upgrading ability will take it to the next level of rarity, while 2 other cards will disappear from your inventory. Well, you won't believe it guys, but that is it. Xena is the early beta and we couldn't ask for more. So in my honest opinion, new content will be added once we have this connection with the metaverse. And besides, I think the big update is coming soon, and perhaps we'll make significant changes to the game. So let's stay tuned. So guys, if you wanted to know my best advice for now, collect as many easy rewards as you can. Because if Xena will boom, you'll get an early advantage. And that is very nice. Meanwhile, we'll keep an eye on Xena and we'll cover all the updates and nuances of the gameplay. So you better subscribe to the channel, like this video, and wait until the next one comes. And it's gonna be pretty soon. So see you shortly.